and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dawn here. So today we are going to be playing with this mould. I am going to leave my husband's at the door doing his thing. He's just come in to tell me he's going out, and then he said, are you recording? I went, no, not yet. And then he's waited until I pressed record to pull faces at the door, because that's what husband I have. Anyway, I got this gorgeous mould, which is a little tea light holder, but it hangs on the wall, and it just, yeah, I fell in love with it actually. Now I did use some fast cure resin, however it took 24 hours, but it could be because of how cold it is in here. I do have the heating on overnight, but it's not, it only gets up to about between 6 and 10 degrees through the night. But the resin I've actually sent back because it doesn't fully cure, and it's done the same here. It hasn't fully cured. Anyway, I used some purple mica and this sort of shimmer stuff. I'm going to pop the footage in now of me creating this, and then we're going to unmold and have a look at it. So yeah, enjoy the next bit. Right, okay, so let's unmold. I'm going to start off with the cat first. I got quite a lot of, I think because I've been playing with resin for over a year now, I've been getting quite a lot of molds for Christmas and stuff, so it's nice to sort of use them, which is really nice. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. Now there is loads of indents and stuff, and we are going to paint them. So I've got this, it's a chalk paint but in cherry, and I thought it'd go lovely. I love these cats. I just thought, why not use them? I've had those cats for years. Now we've got that piece, and then we have this piece. I'm not quite sure though what these holes are for. I don't know if we hang stuff on them, so I think, actually I don't know, I have no idea what that, oh actually is this just so it stands? I think it might be, you know, but I think, yeah, right, okay, I know. So this goes, sorry, I'm just trying to, this needs sanding down, so I've done it, excuse me, I've done it too thick, so this I think goes in there, so it sort of stands up, I think. Well, actually, there we go. And then, oh no, actually I think this goes this way around, I think she says, I don't know. And then no, because, well, that's how I thought it went, but this is a little too thick, so we are going to have to, I mean it should fit, but we have to sand this bit down quite a bit to get that in there. Oh, there we go. No, we're not. Look at that. Ignore me, ignore me. Oh my goodness. And then this bit just slides in here, oh my goodness, like this. And like I said, it goes on the wall, so I need to add some fittings. Sorry, ladies at the door now. There we go. Oh my goodness. There. Oh, how gorgeous does that look? Let me just kick this little munchkin out. Go on then. Although I don't think she realises that there is nobody in the house, so she's being a bit silly. There you go. Right, okay, I am loving that. Now I don't think I'm going to be able to get that back out. Oh yes. So now that I know it all fits, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab this paint. I am going to grab some gloves. So let me just grab a pair of gloves. And then we're going to grab a paintbrush. Sorry for the rustling. What paintbrush do I want to use? That one might be okay one. Okay, and then what we're going to do, just move everything so I can have a seat. Okay. And then what we're going to do is where all these sort of nooks and crevices are, I'm just going to paint. So there's like loads of, and I will clean up once we've finished. Okay, like this. And just going to go all the way around, painting everything in, and hopefully it'll finish it off really nicely. I'll have to buy some hardware because I don't think I have any, so that this can be hung on the wall, but you can get it really inexpensive anyway from wherever, like B&Q or somewhere like that. So I'll probably just go into my local Boys and grab it from there. But I love that pink with it. It's just seeing where everywhere is. Okay, and then I just think it adds just that little something else as well. Okay, right, I'm going to pop you on speed up while I do this. I have a feeling it may need a couple of coats actually, but we shall see. And then we'll come back once it's finished. Right, okay, that's it. So the kettle is on because I'm about to do a hot bath for my resin. But I've popped this in, and what I want to do is I actually want to top coat this bit while this is in, so that it never ever comes out. So I basically want it permanently in. So I'm going to sort of top coat this bit, so that it, like I said, it stays. And then I'm thinking I might UV resin just in there. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought it'd be good if I could just top coat it, keep all that colour in, because I just think it looks so pretty. Let me just zoom in just a little bit so that you can see it properly. Sorry for the glare off the lights, but yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And the other thing I want is I want a tiny little bit more sparkle, so I'm going to put a bit of sparkle in as well. So I'll probably use this, which is my iridescent clear glitter. Yeah, I've got my resin, but I do need to warm half of it up. I'm not going to make up too much, actually. I'm going to make the tiniest amount, but yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll come back when it's all dry and finished, so you can see the final product. So I'll be 2 seconds. Well, I'll put this bit up on fast forward, and then I'll see you when it's finished. Right, okay, we are back, guys. Look at that. How stunningly beautiful is that? So it will sit on the wall like that. You can put your little tea light on, but oh, isn't it just gorgeous? I absolutely love it. The only thing I need to do is I need to put a little bit of hardware on the back just so that it can be hung up on the wall, but that is it. I love the little black hats that I just sort of dotted about. I think it's fab, and it looks so shimmery and sparkly with that extra little bit of glitter as well. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing this come together. I've absolutely loved making it, and oh yeah, it's just absolutely beautifully stunning. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll catch you guys in another resin video very soon. But until then, please do take care and happy crafting. Bye.